yeah, come on. I'm going to show you how to make these delicious courgette pancakes, my spin on a Korean classic, topped with a fried egg, some gently pickled cucumber, and some roasted peanuts. It's absolutely delicious. This is the Waitrose series where we take one simple ingredient and turn it into a delicious dinner. And today, it's all about courgettes. They're one of my favourite vegetables, super versatile and bang in season right now. Technically a fruit, not a vegetable, but we don't need to worry about that. You can do so much with it and they're full of liquid and we're going to use all of that liquid in the dish today. Let's get cooking. We're just going to take as little off as we need. Don't chuck this away. Have a freezer bag in your freezer with all your trimmings, whether it's onion skins or carrot tops, courgette tops. And the next time you make a stock or a soup, pop those in. Slice the end. We're going to turn it over on its side, and that means that the courgette isn't going to go anywhere when you're cutting them. This recipe is delicious as a midweek meal or nice little weekend brunch. Carefully slice these into matchsticks. This would work brilliant with marrows. You've also got squashes, you've got pumpkins. We sell beautiful yellow courgettes. Now, I think they're a little bit on the big side, so I'm going to chop them in half as well. Grab a bowl, and we're going to grab a colander or a sieve. All will be revealed. They're going to go in here. We're going to add salt, about a teaspoon or so. Almost massage the courgettes and the salt, and that will start bringing the natural water out. That water is going to make our pancake. That is the magic, the culinary wizardry of this dish. We're going to leave that to sit for about 10 minutes or so. So we're going to top our pancakes with a lovely bit of raw cucumber. Now that might sound odd having courgette and cucumber together, but it works really, really well. I'm going to just gently, thinly slice the cucumber. And this gives a lovely freshness to our finished dish and really simple as well. As well as the courgette and the pancake, we're going to have a little bit of onion. Nick the top off. Again, where does that go? Freezer bag. Nice and fun, because we want this to cook nice and quick as well. And then we want a little bit of heat. So a little bit of chili, not a big one, a little bit of spice. That's all chopped. Let's wash these and then we'll come back. So I'm gonna do a little pickle on these. A little bit of soy sauce and a little bit of rice vinegar with a little touch of sugar. I'm going to marinate it all together. You could absolutely just make this as a little sauce to kind of drizzle over if you want. So, soy sauce, about a tablespoon of rice vinegar. Really love rice vinegar. Half a teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to add a little pinch of salt to that as well, which will just give you a little extra pickle note as well. And we're going to mix all that together. I mean, this is a quick dish, but if you wanted to make it the night before, you'd have a bit more of a pickle on there. Oh, it's delicious. Just kind of makes it sing, which is lovely. That is ready to go. So let's pop that to one side and let's make our batter. So we've got our self-raising flour and it's time to squeeze our courgette matchsticks. Now I've just got some kitchen towel. You can see how they've kind of changed consistency, changed texture. And then what we're going to do is we're going to wrap them up and then we're going to squeeze all of that excess water. You can see it just pouring out and that is going to make it really, really lovely. All your strength. Get all of that water out. See, look at that, all of that water. That is gonna make our pancake delicious as well. So, we're gonna add a little bit of flour at a time. We don't wanna overwork it. Slowly mix this in, and you'll probably be looking at this recipe going, that's not gonna make enough for the pancake. But then remember, we've got the courgette, the onions, and the chili going in as well. So, one egg in there. It starts to kind of look like almost like a thick Yorkshire pudding batter. So we've got our little pancake glue, if you like. There we go. So, courgette matchsticks pop into there. We're also going to add our chili, onions as well. Now, you don't need to season it, of course, because we've salted the courgette. And that is ready for cooking. So, we've got a nice, about 23 centimetre pan. We don't want it too big, not a too high heat. We don't want to burn this pancake. Can pop a little bit of oil in the pan, just to cover the base of the pan. Add about half of our pancake mix and just let that gently cook. You can make 2 big ones out of this recipe. Spread it out into the bottom of the pan. It's okay if it's not perfect, but you know, we gotta try. We're just looking for a little bit of caramelization around the courgettes, and you can start to see that onion and courgette starting to sizzle away on the outside. Don't be tempted to go in with a spatula, just let it do its thing. Pop a lid on it, and then once it's cooked for about 4 to 5 minutes, we'll flip it over, cook the rest. Really simple, really quick, and absolutely delicious. Oh yeah. Look at that lovely golden colour. 3 or 4 more minutes, and that is going to be ready. So, as a little finishing touch, we're just going to add some chopped roasted peanuts on here. Not only is it going to add extra texture, it's going to add extra flavour as well. We're just going to roughly chop, and of course, if you didn't want to eat nuts or you didn't want to use them, then absolutely you don't need them. Let's have a little look at our pancake. Got a nice little colour on the bottom. That I'm going to take off the heat. What I'm going to do now is we're going to use this same pan to fry an egg in, because who doesn't love a fried egg? So we're going to pop our nice warm pancake onto our serving plate. Look at that. And we're going to add a little bit of oil. Come on. Beautiful. I love it when it bubbles and goes all weird. It's just lovely. Let's start getting ready to serve our beautiful dinner. We're going to pop our egg onto one side. Then we've got these lovely pickly cucumbers. And what I love about this recipe is that it's packed full of different flavours and different textures. Dash a little bit of our pickling juice on as well, and that will soak in to the pancake and give us lots of extra flavour as well. A little bit on the egg. We're going to have a super crispy pancake. With the courgettes, we've got that lovely crispy egg, we've got the crispy pickle, and then chopped roasted peanuts. And just for a little extra heat and a little final flourish, I'm just going to add a little drizzle of chili oil onto that egg. And that is a beautiful Korean-inspired courgette pancake. You are definitely going to want to try this. Pause now to grab all the ingredients. It's time for a little eat. Let's go through that. Oh yeah, come on. This is delicious. So many different textures and flavours in there. That lovely runny yolk, bringing it all together. That little finishing chili note is delicious. You've got that pickle note from the cucumber and beautiful courgettes, bang in season right now. This is certainly a delicious dinner. For more gorgeous recipes and foodie hacks, subscribe now. Happy cooking and see you again soon.